Hi, my name's Robert Jenkinson, and I work as a counsellor therapist and a supervisor of other counsellors and also a trainer. Now, there are many things that I have found that in my initial training I wasn't taught much about. And so over the last 25 years, I've been talking to clients, working with clients, reading and researching so that I can make my practice the best it can be. And so one of the factors I've come across that affects all the clients I've ever worked with is this idea of shame. Because as we know, people feel shame about things they've done, not done, things that have happened to them. And I've always found shame a very difficult thing to help move with clients. Because shame is about doubting my right to exist. So I found this is the lowest vibration, if you like, of the work. It's the most difficult thing to move and change. And so that's why I put this training together, so that we can, as caregivers and supporters and counsellors and psychologists, we can actually help to dissolve the shame that our clients are coming from, because this shame is stopping our clients from being the person they were meant to be. So I've divided this training into three parts. One is, what is it that about shame that people keep thinking and keep reinforcing their own inner cycle? So what is this shame thing? And how do clients keep reinforcing it in themselves? Second module is about, well, what behaviors can we look at that tell us, this person has an element of shame in them? What are they doing, which is typically what we often you might hear called shame-based? What is it that they're doing which is showing us that they are feeling great shame and they're only expressing part of who they are? Because I find that with shame, their life force, their wairua, if you like, is mainly going into defense mechanisms of trying to cope with the world. So when we can reconnect clients back to their spirit, their life force, their wairua, then they can grow into the people they were always meant to be. The third module actually gives us what can I do with clients to help dissolve the shame that they are feeling. Because we can have done excellent work in resolving what they're thinking, how they're feeling, but shame is the one that tends to linger the most. So in the third module, we look at what can I do with my client to help move the shame, to transmute it, change it, so that actually now clients can live the life they were meant to live. So that's what this training will offer you.